Hello everyone, I hope that you all doing great. Today we're going to see how to restore an Azure virtual machine from a backup. So let's start. Okay, so first I have here the virtual machine VM test, and if I go to recovery service vault, I have here the vault, and it already has a backup that I did early, so we're going to restore this backup to a new or existing VM. So to do that, we need to go to virtual machines. Let's click the virtual machine, and here on the left panel menu, let's click backup, and let's click restore VM. As you can see, here appears all the recovery points that are available for this virtual machine. In this case, it only appears just one recovery point because I just did one backup. So let's click restore VM, and let's select the restore point that it only is just this one. So let's click OK. And okay, here appears the restore point, and here we have two options for the target. We can restore this VM in a new virtual machine, or we can replace the existing virtual machine. So it is your decision if you want to create a new one or you want to replace the existing virtual machine. In this case, I'm going to create a new one. So I'm gonna click create new virtual machine. Okay, I'm gonna name it VM test restore. Let's select the subscription, the restore group, the virtual network, the subnet, okay, the staging location. Okay, here we need to create an storage account. So I'm gonna quit this. Let's search storage accounts, and here I'm going to create a new one, a new plop storage account. I'm gonna name storage account this. The name of the storage account, it needs to be unique. So let's see if this is available. It doesn't give any error, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I get to select locally redundancy. Let's click next. I'm gonna disable all the subtlety options. Next. Okay, so the storage account is created. So let's go back to virtual machines, the VM test. Let's select backup, restore VM. Let's select the restore point. Okay, let's put a name. Test restore. A virtual network, a subnet, and the storage account. Okay, and now let's click restore. So it's going to start the process for restore this VM, and let's wait some minutes. Also, we can go back here to the recovery service vault, and here on the backup jobs we can see the restore job that it is in progress if we want to monitor that task. And okay, we can see like the subtasks that are already happening. So let's keep waiting. Okay, once the subtask finish, we can see that the it, we can see that it restores the virtual machine. So let's go back to virtual machines, and here it is. As you can see, VM test restore, and now it's running, and yeah, it has the same size and the same operating system than the original. So this is how you can restore a VM here on Azure from an existing backup. So if you want to know how to enable a backup on a virtual machine, you can like watch the previous video, and that will be everything. So leave a like or a comment if you want to see more videos about cloud computing or AI. Thank you.